Have you ever spent 20 or 30 minutes flipping breakers just to find the right outlet? It can be frustrating, especially in homes with poorly labeled electrical panels. Today we're checking out the NOYAFA NF-824 Circuit Breaker Finder, a rechargeable tool that not only finds the correct breaker, but also works as a GFCI outlet tester and a non-contact voltage detector. Let's unbox it, test all of its features, and find out whether it's worth adding to your electrical toolbox. Unboxing. Inside the box, you'll typically find NOYAFA NF-824 receiver, outlet transmitter, transmitter extension cable, USB Type-C charging cable, outlet adapter, lamp holder adapter, a carrying tool bag, and a user manual. The first thing you'll notice is the build quality. Both units feel compact yet sturdy, making them comfortable to carry around on service calls or DIY projects. Unlike many inexpensive breaker finders that rely on disposable batteries, both the transmitter and receiver have built-in rechargeable lithium batteries that charge via USB Type-C. That means lower running costs and one less thing to worry about before heading to a job. Design and features. Let's take a closer look. The transmitter simply plugs into the outlet you want to identify. On the front, you'll find a segmented LCD display that shows outlet status and operating information. Now moving to the receiver. It has a large ergonomic grip, another LCD display, an LED light for working inside dark electrical panels, and dedicated buttons for different operating modes. One feature I really like is the 7-level signal strength indicator, which helps improve accuracy while searching for the correct breaker. Another useful feature is non-contact voltage detection, allowing you to safely check whether an outlet or cable is live without making direct electrical contact. The NF-824 also doubles as a GFCI outlet tester, making it useful for checking outlet wiring and verifying GFCI protection. Instead of carrying multiple testers, this single device combines 3 important electrical testing functions into one compact package: real-world testing. Now comes the most important part. Let's see how well it performs. First, plug the transmitter into the outlet you want to identify. Next, walk over to your electrical panel with the receiver. As you move the receiver across each breaker, it begins detecting the transmitted signal. You'll notice the receiver starts beeping. As you get closer to the correct breaker, the beeping becomes faster and stronger, while the signal indicator increases. Once you've confirmed the strongest signal, you've located the correct breaker. This saves a huge amount of time compared to switching breakers one by one. Now let's test the GFCI function. Simply plug the transmitter into a GFCI outlet. The tester checks whether the outlet wiring is correct and can help verify GFCI functionality, making electrical inspections much quicker. Finally, switching to NCV mode allows you to detect live AC voltage without touching exposed conductors. This is especially useful before performing maintenance, adding an extra layer of safety. Remember, while NCV is a great preliminary safety check, always follow proper electrical safety procedures before working on any circuit. Pros and cons. Pros: rechargeable Type-C batteries, fast and accurate breaker identification, built-in GFCI outlet testing, non-contact voltage detection, dual LCD displays, LED light for dark electrical panels, compact and easy to carry. Simple operations suitable for professionals and DIY users. Cons: the NF-824 is designed primarily for breaker finding, GFCI testing, and NCV detection. If you also need underground cable tracing or locating broken wires inside walls, you'll need a more advanced model such as the NF-8301. Final verdict. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed with the NOYAFA NF-824. It combines 3 essential electrical testing tools into one compact, rechargeable device that's easy to use and helps save time during troubleshooting. Whether you're an electrician, maintenance technician, home inspector, or a DIY homeowner, this tool can make identifying breakers and checking outlet safety much faster and more convenient. If your work mainly involves residential or commercial electrical systems, the NF-824 offers an excellent balance of functionality, portability, and ease of use. Interested in the NOYAFA NF-824? Click the purchase link in the description to check the latest deals and product information. Your support through the link helps me create more honest tool reviews. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, WA Electronics, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future electronics tool reviews, testing videos, and hands-on demonstrations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video!